Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're looking good. I hope you're feeling airy because we have another jam-packed reading for you today. Yes, darling. Yes, honey. We are looking into what are their current feelings for you right now, okay? And we're going to do it as an all signs, okay? So if you haven't already, like and subscribe to Wagwantarotandtea, okay? Sit back and relax as we gather these intuitive gems, okay? So before we begin, we like to bring good energy into the reads, so we'll do it with a gratitude opening. So let's get into it. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages we are about to receive on this all signs reading. May the messages resonate with the collective so they can use it for their intuition and for them to always use their discernment every time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so we're gonna go in the order that is displayed here. Okay, so we're gonna start with Aries. Let's have a look at Aries. So Aries, what are their current feelings for you? What are their current feelings for you, Aries? Aries, what are their current feelings for you? Ooh, wee. Okay. You are the Empress. They are seeing you as the Empress. This is their feelings for you. Their current feelings for you is they're seeing you as somebody that they can grow with, someone that they can expand with. And I feel like they see you as a person that they would love and admire to have as a person that I feel like they can see you as someone that they can have children with. This is the energy I see, but I feel like they also see you as somebody that can help them to expand, help them to grow. I feel like it's also being in your presence. You also help to bring that energy out of them. You help. I feel like it's like anytime you're around their presence, they always feel like they're learning, but I feel like it's not in a way where they feel like I feel like they feel inspired and admire the energy that you carry, okay, when you move, when you groove. So we're gonna look at a Jamaican proverb and let's just have a look for some additional clues on this person and their current feelings for you. Okay. Ooh, okay. Let's do it again. There definitely seems to be lots of messages here. So let's have a look. Oh, this wants to come out. Okay, we'll go with this one. We have today for me, tomorrow for you. So today for me, tomorrow for you. Okay. So I feel with this one, I feel like this could be an energy as well of this feeling of life has ups and downs, cycles, but you know, taking that time to show gratitude and reflect. So I feel like this is the person's energy, and this is how they feel for you, Aries. This is the feeling that when they think of you, it's this a very much appreciative energy. Okay. So we're going to leave you with an oracle. Let's have a look for Aries. Let's see what oracle. We're going to use the romance energy, the romance oracle deck. Let's have a look. Ooh. Hey, this person, this is the situation, involves marriage. So this person really sees you in this energy. This person really sees you in this light. Wow, Aries, what you going on your side, Aries? Because this person is really carrying this energy of admiring you, wanting to grow with you, wanting to expand with you, wanting to see you as that person, you know, by their side. Wow, Aries. Aries, you got to let us know. Put it in the comments. Let us know what's going on, and let us know what you're sipping on as well, and where you are watching in the from around the world. All right, Aries. Now we're moving on. Thank you, Aries. We are moving on to Taurus. Let's have a look at Taurus. Okay, Taurus. How are we doing, Taurus? Okay, let's move on to Taurus now. Okay. So, yes, we're now moving into Taurus. Taurus, can we have a look? What are their current feelings for you, Taurus? What are their current feelings for you, Taurus? Ooh, okay. So their current feelings for you, Taurus, we have the Eight of Cups and we have the Nine of Wands. So I feel like there's some kind of conflict going on for you, Taurus, and I feel like this could be an energy of, I feel like I'm kind of getting, it's like should I go, I don't know what to do, I'm stuck. So I feel like there's a kind of a stuck energy, but also kind of wanting to release the tension and to let go. I feel like there's an energy of wanting to let go. Possibly there could have been some disagreements that had taken place. I feel like it could also have been around prioritizing one another when it comes to time. And I feel like there could also been some conversations about how that could work for the both of you. Okay, so I'm just going to clarify this message as well, because we've got this this energy going on. I'm just going to have a look and see what else with the good karma. Oh, you look at this. Temperance. So I feel like in this scenario there needs to be peace, there needs to be tranquility here, and I feel like this person is in this kind of limbo, like they don't know what to do, they don't know how to correct this situation, and I feel like this is what is causing them to feel like this at this time. Let's have a look and see what the Jamaican proverb wants to tell us right now. Can we have a clue, please? Right, can we have a clue from the Jamaican proverb, please? Additional clue. Okay, yes, we've got this message. Let's have a look. So we have, not expect nothing from a pig but a grunt. Don't expect anything from a pig but a grunt. So I feel like there is a lot of stubborn energy here, and this could be impacting this situation, the current situation that you have. Okay, and I feel like this may help you to know that there is some kind of disagreement with you and this person at this time, but I feel like it's also something to do with making time for one another, and I feel like this could have been something that may have discussed, or if it's somebody from your recent past, this could have been this conversation that could have taken place, or something to do with prioritizing. Okay, now don't expect to or have high hopes, expectations if you know someone is an idiot. Don't be fooled by an idiot. Now I feel like this is also telling that there might have been feelings of this in the past, and I feel like it's kind of saying you need to come to some kind of middle ground to understand and find peace around this situation. Okay, right, we're going to end this read with a romance oracle. Let's have quite a few. Children, so something to do with children. Now I feel like this could also be like an inner child issue. It says your love life is being affected by children. Now there could also be some of you who this could be like, I feel like it could also be like a custody battle or situation going on, disagreement. As well, it says your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectation. So for some of you, this can also be a soulmate who is completely different to you. And I feel like maybe at times it could be like, like I feel like there could be times where you just don't always see eye to eye. But I feel like this situation is asking you to find peace and tranquility. Okay, call on Archangel Raphael, okay, who could be able to help you at this time. Okay, now I'm just going to also have a look at these two cards here because they popped out. So for some of you, there may be some issues again around codependency, and I feel like that, especially with the Eight of Cups, and we saw the Nine of Wands in reverse. It did give this energy of like a tug of war. Should I go? I don't know. Like a feeling of conflict, feeling of being stuck. So it says addictions are affecting your romantic life. Now we also have release your ex. Okay, so if there is an ex, or for some of you who may have been or feeling like you're caught up in this loop, it's also asking you to release this ex. The time has come to clear your energy. But look what's popping out here as well for you. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. So there could be some kind of passion going on as well in this energy here. Okay, so thank you, Taurus. We are now going to be moving on to Gemini. How are you, fellow Geminis? How you doing? Now we are currently still in the Gemini season, so how are you all doing? Okay, just a quick shuffle. Okay, so Gemini, let's have a look at Gemini. What's going on with Gemini? What is their current feelings for you, Gemini? What are their current feelings for you, Gemini? What are their current feelings for you, Gemini? So we have the Four of Cups. I feel like with the Four of Cups being here, this person doesn't know whether they're coming or whether they're going. I feel like they feel lost in... I feel like it's more they can't suss where you... I'm going to get an energy. They don't know where they stand with you. And I feel like this could be more of an issue around communication. Okay, and I feel like it's also, when we think of the Four, you know, it's the Four of Cups. The Four represents in numerology and in the tarot represents that energy of the stability. It represents the energy of the Emperor. Now I feel like there could be some kind of power complex going on in this situation. Okay, all right, so let's have a look and see what the Jamaican proverb wants to tell us. But with, as an additional clue, just gonna have a quick look at what's at the front of the deck as well. Look at that, we have the Two of Cups and we also have the Star. So I feel like and the Hermit. So I feel like there could be some, you know, time to focus on energy and work it, like your energy, like taking some time to heal, okay, this energy that's taking place between the two of you. But I feel like it could also be some kind of energy about a power complex, and seeing eye to eye on things. Okay, and I feel like, again, when it comes to Geminis do like their freedom, you know, and I feel like there could be something about feeling of control. Okay, right, so look at this one. Look, Doppy know who fi frighten. Doppy know who fi frighten. And this is basically a Doppy in Jamaican culture, patois. It represents the idea of like a spirit, a ghost, okay, an entity, okay, that is not in our world. Okay, now it can also represent like a bully. Okay, so it's like saying pick on people who are the most vulnerable, protect yourself. Okay, and this is why I'm kind of getting with this energy of maybe it's this kind of energy of like, it's my way or the highway. And I feel like this is creating this tug of war energy. Okay, so we're gonna have a look in the romantic angels. Let's see what wants to come out for Gemini. We have express your love. So go ahead and make the romantic gesture. So I feel that maybe through taking some time to communicate with one another, this may help to repair this union. If you both are able to express yourself fully, listen carefully, okay? And if this is somebody from your recent past, I feel like this person may be also wanting to reach out to you. And I feel like if they do, be sure to just kind of take that time to listen, because I feel like there could be that, you know, wanting to be straight to attack, but I feel like, you know, healing can take place, as we saw the start earlier. Okay, we saw the start earlier. Healing can take place if two parties are both willing to listen and understand one another, and also understand where each party is coming from. Okay, so thank you, Gemini. We are now moving on to Cancer. Okay, let's move on to Cancer. Okay, so Cancer, how are you all doing, Cancer? I hope you're feeling good, looking Aries. Okay, we're going to look into their current feelings for you right now. What are their current feelings for you right now? What are their current feelings for you right now? Ooh, let's see what this one is. They see you as the Six of Wands. The Six of Wands, you give them this energy of balance. You give them this energy of reward. When they think of you, you know, they see you as somebody that they can grow with. You know, they can see you as someone they could marry. They could see somebody that they can have, you know, on their arms. I'm kind of also kind of seeing it like they see you as their trophy, and not even the sense of like, in a bad way. I'm kind of getting it as like they will be so proud to have somebody like you. And I feel like it's also this, you know, with the Cancer energy, that nurturing, caring energy that I feel like they really admire. But I feel like this person could also be someone who works a lot, and I feel like the two of you may come from different backgrounds, but I feel like your energy gives them that balance that they need in their life. And I feel like that the more they get to know you, the more they admire about you. Now, if this is somebody from the past, I feel like this person also from the past could also be reminiscing on those memories of you, hoping that in time things will maybe change, or, you know, the cycle can come to a pass where maybe the two of you can see eye to eye with one another. Okay, but I also feel like, you know, I'm also getting another message that there could be also some good news coming for you as well, Cancer. Okay, right, so let's have a look at the Jamaican proverb. Let's see what message wants to come out for the collective, well, for the Cancer collective at Wagwantarotandtea. Let's have a look. Oh, so we have save and invest. Okay, drunk crow never make house till rain come. Drunk crow never make house till rain come. And this simply means a crow bird, okay, never goes to make a nest until it sees rain. Okay, this is simply what it means. Okay, so it's telling us to save and invest for a rainy day. Okay, save and invest for a rainy day. Now, their current feelings for you, okay, we're going to go back to their, how this applies to their current feelings for you. This is the type of person that they see you as. Someone that they can invest with, someone that they can grow with, someone that can create and add balance to their life. Now, always trust your intuition and use your discernment, Cancer. But I feel that they admire and love that nurturing energy that you carry. Okay, and I feel like the more they admire and enjoy is the more that they want to grow with you. Okay, so let's have a look at the romantic oracle. Let's turn that one round or reshuffle. What their current feelings for Cancer. Their current feelings for Cancer. They want to flirt with you. They want to flirt. And I feel like it's this energy of chemistry as well. You know, they really see you as somebody that they can have by their side. They see you as somebody that will, you know, add to this winning energy. Okay. And I feel like this is what they want. They want to enjoy spending good quality time, okay, with you. So extend your light-hearted energy to others. And I feel like you have, Cancer, you have a lot of this energy that you can uplift the room, okay? And I feel like the more you are comfortable with yourself. And again, always trust your intuition and use your discernment. I feel like this person will also help them to open up as well, a lot more as well. Okay. All right. Thank you, Cancer. Now we are moving on to Leo. Let's get on with Leo. How are you doing, Leo? Leo, Leo, that fire sign, Leo. Okay, so Leo, their current feelings for you, Leo. Their current feelings for you, Leo. Ooh, oy, 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 oy. Now, their current feelings for you, Leo. I feel like this person could be somebody from your recent past who's reminiscing on the memories that they have for you. I feel like when they think of you, they are always drawn to those good memories. I feel like there's a lot of fiery, passionate memories of you. I feel like they enjoyed spending lots of quality time with you and is really wanting to seek a reconcile energy. I feel like with the Six of Cups, that can represent that strong reconcile energy. But I feel like for somebody who is currently in your current energy, this person, I feel like there could be a crush here who is admiring you, perhaps from a distance, probably not always giving much away, but I feel like you might be intuitively sensing that there's somebody who, in where it could be a workplace, it could be somewhere local that where it's a gym or somewhere kind of like a local place where you may see this person on occasions. I feel like this person has a strong admiration for you. Now, if it's just for some like a new love interest, I feel like this person is also reminiscing on little subtle things about you, whether it's like the way you wear your hair, the way like an outfit it like kind of sits on your body. This is what I'm kind of getting. Like they are very, they have a good attention to detail, and I feel like if they say something to you, they might say, oh, I like this about you, I like this about you, and that might also help you to know who this person is. Okay, now let's have a look at the Jamaican proverb for additional clues, okay, regarding this person and just their current feelings towards you. Okay, what are their current feelings towards you? So we have alligator lay egg, but him no foul. An alligator lay egg, but him no foul. So this simply means don't view things from one perspective. Think outside of the box. Be open. Okay, so Leo, I feel like with this current situation, their current feelings for you, okay, I feel like this could also be somebody who's completely different to you. It can also perhaps throw you off, you know, maybe like, oh my gosh, what, this person likes me? No. And I feel like maybe intuitively you might be also sensing that, but I feel like at this moment of time, it wants you to have a open mind and an outlook of looking at things. Okay, so keep yourself open. Again, always trust your intuition and use your discernment. Right, let's have a quick look at the romantic oracle. Let's see what wants to come out for Leo. Ooh, we have pay attention to red flags. Pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you. So if this is something to do for some kind of like reconciliation energy, I feel like again it's paying attention to the red flags. Pay attention to the red flags. Now I'm just gonna have a look and see if there is any other message. I'm intuitively being drawn to pull out another message for the Leo. Yes. Look at this. We were just saying with the Jamaican proverb to keep an open mind, be open. And this message comes out again for you, Leo. It says your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. So keep an open mind. Okay, keep an open mind, Leo. Thank you, Leo. Okay, so we're going to be moving on to Virgo now. Okay. Alright, let's move on to Virgo. So, Virgo, how you doing, Virgo? How you doing? Earth signs in the building. Okay, so let's have a look at Virgo. Let us know what are you sipping on as well, Virgo. Let us know. Put it in the comments below. Okay, so their current feelings for Virgo. What are their current feelings for Virgo? Okay, so we have the Knight of Cups. They see you as someone that they want to wine and dine with, someone who they are mesmerized, someone who they are so drawn to the way they feel about you. And I feel like, you know, this energy of they eat, they sleep, and their mind is still on you. And I feel like it could also be that they're trying to stop how, like, I feel like there's kind of, it's like an infatuation energy. But I feel like the more they, you know, when they think of you, see you, or I feel like this could also be somebody who's kind of looking like intently on what's going on, whether you might be active on social media or things like that. I feel like this person is really trying to get to know as much as they can, and I feel like they might even try to, for some of you who's in, if they're in your current situation right now, they may even try to find ways of like creating conversation as well to engage interest and to see what kind of things you like. Okay, now if there's someone from the past, I feel like this person could also be having these feelings of wanting to, you know, see where things lie. I feel like they may still want to see if they ask or offer you for to go on a date or to meet up for a coffee or something like that. I feel like they want, it's something that they would love to do, but I feel like there might be some apprehension at the same time towards doing that. Okay, right, so just let's have a look on the Jamaican proverb. Let's see what kind of additional clue wants to come out for the collective. Control for Virgo. Right, so Virgo. Ooh, Virgo. This came out earlier. I believe it was for. I believe it was for Taurus. All right. So not expect nothing from a pig but a grunt. Do not expect anything from a pig but a grunt. Okay. So don't expect or have high hopes or expectations if you know someone is an idiot. Don't be fooled by an idiot. Interesting. So we're gonna just clarify that. Okay, we're gonna use the good karma just to clarify what's going on. Why is this Jamaican proverb here regarding this Knight of Cups? This person who's showing up as a Knight in Cups. Oh, okay, that was quick. Boy, that was quick. This person, as it's illustrated in the Fool, I feel like this could be also a very literal take on the Fool card, okay, or the Fool tarot card, because the Fool tarot card can represent, you know, someone who could be young and, you know, maybe making mistakes, goes out and makes mistakes, goes and learn. It can also represent somebody who's going to take, in the, like when we look in the tarot kind of cards, they're going through their whole Fool's journey, going through every step and learning all different types of lessons. Okay, going through different cycles and learning different steps along the way. But I feel like this person with the Fool popping out, I feel like this person could maybe be at times, Virgo, can be a bit immature, or, and I feel like that at times may make you feel a bit like but I feel like this person, their intentions are genuine, but I feel like it might be also just, you might have to be mindful of the expectations that you may have in regards to this person. Okay, all right, let's have a look at the romantic oracle. Let's see what wants to come out for Virgo regarding the Knight of Cups, the Fool. And don't expect anything from a pig but a grunt. What message wants to come out for Virgo? Heart to heart conversations. Yes, I feel like a heart to heart conversations will really be good, because it will help to really break down what's going on with this person who's the Fool. Okay, understanding where, you know, what are their true intentions, where do they lie. You know, yes, they may have like strong feelings and wanting to take you out and show that romantic side, okay, but there might be other parts of them that I feel like it might not be fully developed for your liking, Virgo. But I feel like having a heart-to-heart conversation may also help to discuss your feelings for one another, and kind of, you know, come to some kind of middle ground. Okay, so thank you, Virgo. We are now moving on to Libra. Okay, let's move on to Libra now. Okay, so for Libra, what are their current feelings? How are you doing, Libra? Hope you're well, feeling good, feeling balanced. We're going to look into their current feelings for you. So let's have a look for their current feelings for you, Libra. Ooh. Libra, their current feelings for you is the Ace of Cups. This person wants to shower you with love. They want to show you love, and they want to show you the purest form of love. And it's a genuine, their intentions are genuine towards you. Okay. Now, I feel like there might be some apprehension towards this person, Libra, but I feel like how they may try to show you, I feel like this person values the importance of authenticity, and I feel like this person is willing and able and patient. I feel like this person wants to kind of go on your pace. So again, Libra, it depends on, you know, how quickly or how slowly you want this, but I feel like this person is willing to take that time to be patient with you. Okay, let's have a look at Jamaican proverbs. Let's see what it wants to tell us at this time regarding this person who is wanting to take you out, wine and dine. Ooh, this one keeps trying to pop out from my hand. And not everything that comes from above is a blessing. So some opportunities may come with a consequence. Superior positions to so some opportunities may come with a consequence. So superior positions to dispose the unfortunate. Use your discernment. So I feel like there could be a message here again to use your discernment, and I feel like it could also be the attitude, as I mentioned earlier, regarding the energy of feeling apprehensive. Now I feel like this could be relating to that energy of feeling apprehensive regarding this person, but I feel like it's kind of saying don't bring old energies or old thoughts from previous situations into this current situation, because then it could also be, when we think of the energy of the law of attraction, we can be repeating things that we do not want. So I feel like it's kind of saying really focus on what you do want so you can attract more of that into your life. Okay, but we're going to just clarify, okay, that the Jamaican proverb. Can we just clarify the Jamaican proverb as well for an additional information, please, regarding and not everything come from above is a blessing, and not everything come from above is a blessing. For their current feelings for Libra, please. Whoa, okay. The Magician, the Six of Swords. Look at this. Look at this. This is exactly what we were just talking about. Okay, we've got the Magician here, the Six of Swords in reverse, we've got the Page of Pentacles, and we have the Hermit. So I feel like this is an energy of, all right, the ancestral voice wants to come out. Okay, we're going to bring Auntie Self-Love. Auntie Self-Love loves to bring ancestral messages of self-love. Okay, but here comes, darling, honey, nothing nah gwan if you keep doing the same thing. Nothing nah gwan if you keep doing the same thing. This simply means nothing will go on. Okay, nothing will go on, nothing will happen if you keep repeating the same patterns. Okay, now I feel, thank you very much, Auntie Self-Love, you're welcome, darling. Now I feel like this message is basically saying, you know, sometimes we can, the desires and the wishes that we could want for ourselves, we can hold ourselves back, because I feel like with this energy, we've got the Magician. Okay, that's like the energy to manifest things into our life. Then we have the Six of Swords. We are stuck in something. Okay, we're not wanting to move from something, so it could be again this attitude. Now when we think of the swords, this is the energy of the air signs, Libra, Gemini and Aquarius. So there could be some kind of old patterns that needs releasing, and I feel like this could also be some, maybe as well for you Libra, there could be some new opportunities or messages that wants to come through regarding money, or maybe possible career, or something to do with your career, or something to do with money. But I feel like with the Hermit being here, it could also be this energy of, instead of taking those opportunities, or it could be even with this love interest, you stay in this energy of apprehension, holding yourself back. And I feel like it's kind of saying, Libra, it's time to let go of this. It's time to let go of things that are not serving you. Okay, that was just an additional message for you Libra, but I feel like it needed to be said. Okay, especially with this Jamaican proverb. Right, so let's have a look with the romantic angel oracle deck. What are their current feelings for Libra? What does Libra need to know right now? Oh, we have children. Your love life is being affected by children. Now I feel like this could also be your inner child. This could also be your ability to trust, and I feel like it's letting go of these. Now there could also be literally children, where somebody could come with a child, and maybe this person comes with a child, and or you come with a child, and it could be also causing some feelings of apprehension. Okay, I'm just going to see if there's one more, because I'm feeling intuitively drawn as well. Yes, look at this. Getting to know each other as you reveal your innermost selves to each other, Libra. Your bond deepens, and I feel like, you know, it's taking that time to let this seed grow and see where it takes you, see where it takes this union. Okay, but with this Ace of Cups being here, you know, I feel like opportunities are there if you want it, but you've got to grab it with both hands, and we've got to let go. We've got to let go of this energy of kind of which is holding us back, Libra. Okay, all right, Libra. So thank you to Libra. We are now moving on to water sign, Scorpio. Okay, how we doing, Scorpio? Okay, I hope you're doing well. Right, let's have a look at Scorpio. Let's see what's going on with Scorpio. Let's see what's going on with Scorpio. What's going on with Scorpio? What's their current feelings for you, Scorpio? What are their current feelings for you, Scorpio? Look at this. We have the Ace of Pentacles. Their current feelings for you. The Ace of Pentacles and the Queen of Swords. Now I feel like with this energy, Scorpio, I feel like it's kind of like a torn energy. This is what I'm kind of getting. On one hand, they see you as somebody that they can build, grow with. Okay, and I feel like they have an invested interest to want to get to know you more and to want to start anew with you. Okay, meet you on that other side, that threshold. But there is also a sharpness, and I feel like there could be some apprehension. Perhaps there could have been some kind of recent discussions or recent disagreements with one another, which I now this could also be somebody from the past, or also sees you as this person that they would like to for you to return, but is kind of apprehensive to how that would play out. Okay, now I feel like this can also be someone who's new, or someone in your current energy right now, but there is some kind of, I feel like there could be a very sharpness, abrasive conversations may have been had, or the two of you may not always see it eye to eye on certain topics, and I feel like that can then result to a kind of like a very abrasive communication. Okay. All right. I'm just gonna actually, well, before we clarify, let's pull out the Jamaican proverb first. We're gonna pull out the Jamaican proverb and let's see what comes out. Okay, what wants to come out for the Jamaican proverb for Scorpio? What does Scorpio need to know? What does Scorpio need to know? Now, I love using the Jamaican proverb, because it goes so well with the tarot cards, so well. Okay, so how we got finger never say look here, it say look yonder. Look at this with this Queen of the Swords. It's, it's got that energy. So basically this, what it's saying is, the finger never said to look here, it said to look yonder. Look again, look at that threshold, to meet me at that threshold. Okay, look at your faults, reflect on yourself before criticizing others. Now I feel like this could be a vice versa energy. Okay, and I just was saying, it's like a torn energy going on. There could have been some kind of discussion, some kind of argument, some kind of disagreement where there hasn't been, like, I feel like this energy of where seeing eye to eye hasn't really been taking place. And I feel like if you can overcome this situation and meet a middle ground where you both can maybe have a heart-to-heart conversation and say how you both feel without any kind of like letting go of the mask. Okay, I feel like it's like saying letting go of the mask and showing your true authentic self, like being authentic with one another. I feel like it can come to some reasoning. Right, so now we can pull out the good karma and see what clarification message. What? Look at this. The clarification message that wants to come out. Now I feel like with the Knight of Cups is saying to be honest with one another and to deal with one another through love. And I feel like this message is like if you deal with one another through love, it can help you to overcome this. Now I'm just gonna have a quick look. Let's see what's at the front. Look at that, yes, because it's causing this judgment energy. This is again that Scorpio energy here, this judgment energy. And we have the Ten of Cups. So I feel like with the Ten of Cups being here, you both want the same things. There could be an interracial element going here, but again, it's making those choices. Who's gonna take the step forward? Who's going to be brave enough to be honest, share, take on that energy and showing their true feelings, letting go of that mask and being honest with one another. And I feel like for you, Scorpio, this is the situation that's going on. No one's revealing the mask and it's creating this judgment energy. Okay, whether you can either you can leave it or you can take it. But it again, look at this Ten of Wands. A lot of this is a heavy burden energy that's going on. Okay, all right, so just gonna have a quick look at the romantic oracle for Scorpio. Their current feelings for you, Scorpio. Their current feelings for you, Scorpio. This could be the one. Look at this. This could be the one. You've already met the romantic partner you seek. You've already met the romantic partner you seek. Now I feel intuitively drawn to pull another. What else does Scorpio need to know? What else does Scorpio need to know? Deception. Someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. Now this card tends to come out for Scorpios a lot, and I feel like Scorpio, there is we said earlier, the mask. A mask needs to, you know, a mask has to let go. It's about, you know, getting into this energy and feelings, being true, being honest, being real with who you really are. Okay, and it will release this energy of the Queen of Swords, feeling like you have to put on the mask, you have to kind of show your bravest face. And I feel like once you get over that, it will then help to reveal this energy of the Ace of Pentacles, to see that this is what you both want. This is what you both want, and to let go of that energy that's not serving you. Okay. All right, so thank you, Scorpio. We are now moving on to Sagittarius. So let's move on to Sagittarius. Okay, how are you doing, Sagittarius? Fire signs in the building. How are you doing, Sagittarius? What you sipping on, Sagittarius? Let us know. Put it in the comments below. Okay. Alright, so their current feelings for you, Sagittarius. We have, we got that fire sign, baby. We got the fire sign, baby, in this. Look at this, the Two of Wands. The Two of Wands. This person wants to come to you. This person wants to see you. This person wants you into their world. I've got the song that's coming to mind now. I don't know the original, the original artist, but the reggae artist who may have done the cover, or who did do a cover. And it's called Welcome to My World, and it goes something like this. Welcome to I feel like I need some water. 1 second, let's just quickly sip on this. I don't know where that was going. Right, let's start again. So, welcome to my world. Won't you come on in? Yeah. Oh, I can't remember the last bit, but I hope you get the drift. Welcome to my world. Why don't you come on in? Why don't you come in? Why don't you come into my world? Welcome to my world. This is what this person is want. Look at what's going on. Look at the shores. Look at the mountains. And where they're standing, and they've got this other stuff. Somebody else can hold that stuff for them. Someone who's fitting. Look at the energy, full of this vibrant energy this person has. A lot of passion here. This person has a lot of passion for you, Sagittarius. You drive them wild, and I'm kind of getting this also a strong chemistry connection. Okay. Oh la la, oh la la. Right, so let's have a look at the Jamaican proverb. Let's see what the Jamaican proverbs want to tell us, or tell you, Sagittarius, about this person. What do you need to know about this person? Their current feelings. Additional clues from the Jamaican. Oh, the two came out. Oh, no. Sorry, Sagittarius. We're gonna read these two, but I realized it wasn't the whole piece of deck. Oh wow. You know what? Let's go through them all. So we have nanny goat never scratch him back until him see the wall. So this is basically like the idea of a nanny goat who will go towards the wall, before it scratches its back. So it can be very, this is kind of the energy of like trying to see what's going on. And if we look at the Two of Wands, look at what's going on. It's like this figure here is standing in a place where they have a good bird's eye view. Okay, so be an well, not a bird's eye view, or a good view. Okay, a landscape, a panorama view of what's going on. Okay, so be analytical, position for an opportunity, focus and execute. And I feel like this person could be doing this currently, Sagittarius, with you, whether it could be trying to send you, maybe you might be receiving a lot of messages. This person may message you, they may try to find an opportunity to see if they can take you out, or do have something where they can to kind of take some action with you. Okay, we've got here the finger never say look here, it say look yonder. Again, this kind of looking, you know, whether it could be looking at social media, trying to see if they can find out anything, or perhaps even trying to work out if you are available. Okay, look at your faults, reflect on yourself before criticizing others. Okay, now I feel like this could also be trying to suss and trying to work out as much as they can to trying to see, you know, whether you see eye to eye on particular topics, if there are kind of anything that maybe you disagree with. Okay, I'm also kind of getting maybe political interest or anything like that. Okay, because sometimes those things can be like a no for some people, or even like eating habits and things like that. Okay, and we also have not expect nothing from a pig. This has come out a lot in this all signs, but this is basically don't expect high hopes or expectations if you know someone is an idiot. Don't be fooled by an idiot. Okay, so it could be somebody that you know may sometimes kind of gets on your nerves, but again, there is strong passionate energy for this person at the same time. Okay, now I feel again there could be some strong sexual energy here as well for you, Sagittarius. Now, one finger can't kill lice. This simply means, okay, one finger can't kill a lice, and it's saying to work in a group. No man is an island. Seek help from others when working on a project, so home or work. Okay, so maybe there could be something where maybe you meet in this person in a home environment, work environment. Okay, it could also be a crush, someone who has a crush on you as well. Okay, we have puss and dog now have the same look. Competition, so this can represent this energy of like a cat and dog don't have the same luck, so it's kind of like competition, lack of fairness. So, okay, and every cave hole have him own duppy. Every cave hole have him own duppy. This simply means everyone has their own skeletons. So I feel like, especially how there's so many Jamaican proverbs that's come out, I feel like there could be a lot, you and this person, Sagittarius, there could be lots of differences, but I feel like some of these differences can either make this situation be you take it or you leave it. But I feel like this person has a strong desire to want to be with you, but it's also this energy that perhaps there's times where you don't always get along with one another, and it's how you can work on those differences, whether you can have a heart-to-heart conversation. Okay, so we're going to just pull out a clarification. Can we have some clarification on this energy that's going on with Sagittarius? And I feel like this could also be an ex as well as a new in like a new love interest, or in your current, or someone who's in your current energy right now. Thank you. Let's have a look for Sagittarius. Can we have some additional clues or information, please, for Sagittarius? Oh, so yes, I feel like with the Page of Pentacles being here, the Page of Coins, this could be somebody who I feel like they could either be the same age or they could be younger, but I feel like this could be somebody who doesn't have it all. And when I say maybe don't have doesn't have everything like put together. But I feel like this person is willing to work. They're willing to take the time to grow and learn. But I feel like perhaps sometimes they don't always think before they speak, and I feel like that sometimes that can cause some frustration and annoyance energy. Just what I'm kind of getting, like a disgruntled annoyance, like a annoying energy. But I feel like this person wants to take the time to develop and get to understand more. But I feel like they do have an invested interest in wanting to develop and start anew. Okay, right, so we're gonna have a look at the front. Yeah, so we've got the Magician here, the Queen of Swords. So yes, there's this energy, and I feel like perhaps there could be an age difference, or this person may carry a younger energy that sometimes it does you can be very frustrating. Okay, and I am getting the energy of someone might be saying, sometimes I just feel like I'm talking to a child at times. But look, we've got the Page of Cups again. So this could definitely be somebody who's younger, who carries this energy of being immature. But I feel like the energy that they may carry at times of this feeling of immature, they may also, with the Page of Cups energy, know exactly what to do to make you smile and make you feel good. But at the same time, it can then make you, sometimes I feel like it's like this kind of energy that I'm getting this energy of like, it could, there can be an energy where you feel annoyed, and all of a sudden they can just switch this energy. Okay, but again, trust your intuition and use your discernment every time. So let's have a look at the romantic angel. Oh wow, look at this. We saw unrequited love just now. So it says there's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going. But then we've got as you getting to know each other, as you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. So we're just let me just see, because that was a quick little shuffle and that quickly popped out. Let's see what pops out for Sagittarius and their current feelings for you, Sagittarius. Their current feelings for you, Sagittarius. Let go of control issues. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. Okay, Sagittarius, so this is what it wants you to do. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. Okay, intuitively drawn to pull out another one. So let's have a look and see what comes out for Sagittarius. My hand, I call it the intuitive finger, is pulling on something. Look at this, very soon. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. Romantic feelings, so your feelings are real and worth exploring. Very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. And I feel like, Sagittarius, the clearer you are with what it is, this can really help to attune this energy. Okay, so thank you, Sagittarius. We are now going to be moving on to Capricorn. Right, let's move on to Capricorn. Okay. How you doing, Capricorn? Earth sign. Cardinal Earth sign. What you sipping on, Capricorn? Let us know. Ooh, okay, Capricorn. This is, when I see the, as well, it's the Earth energy here with the Eight of Pentacles. When we see the Capricorn, this is the, when I think of the Eight of Pentacles, it's very much like the energy of like the Capricorn, the doer, like taking action, working, building, building things, growing, taking that time to build and, you know, wanting to seek that energy of like traditional family life growth and having that family life and building. But this has come out, and I feel I I I said the question in my head, but I didn't speak it, but it came out. What are their current feelings for you? They want to work on this. They want to work on this. They want to work on it. Now, I feel like this could also be someone from the past that sees you as this person that they can build and grow with. Okay. And I feel like they also see you as someone who's very good with money, very good with finances. And I feel like it is something that they also admire that about you, because they want to grow and develop. And I'm getting this energy. They want to settle down with somebody who is right for them. And I feel like your qualities and your interest matches this person. Okay. And they really want this to grow, they really want this to work, and they really want to take the time to learn. I'm getting, for some of you, this person wants to go and do some therapeutic work, do some counseling. Perhaps if there's been some issues in the past, this person wants to take that time to put in the work so that they can show up, not just for show up for themselves, but show up in this relationship. Okay. So let's have a look at a Jamaican proverb. Let's see what wants to come out for the collective who chose. Oh, sorry, Capricorn. I keep thinking it's a picker card. Oh, look at this. We have, when trouble take you, pitney shirt fit you. When trouble take you, pitney shirt fit you. Challenge. So this simply means when trouble hits you, when trouble comes your way, pitney is just kind of like a patois for a child. Okay, you will find a way to fit yourself in a child's shirt. Okay, so find your ways to come out of a situation, find your way to come out of a challenging situation. Now, I feel like with this person, okay, this could be somebody from your recent past. This could and I feel like this person could, they want to take that time, as we said earlier. Hey, okay, we say when we get those intuitive gems have been popping out. Okay, this person wants to take that time, and I feel like it's also somebody from your recent past, and it could be someone from the current who's taking the time to invest in themselves, taking that time to work on themselves, taking the time to help them understand why they do things or why they are the way they are, so they can grow and they can show up and be a better person for themselves, but also to be a better person in this union. Okay. And really take that time to work on things that they may have found challenging in the past, so they can show up in this union. Okay, right. So okay, let's have a look at the romantic oracle and see what message wants to come out for Capricorn. Their current feelings for Capricorn. Their current feelings for Capricorn. Their current feelings for Capricorn. What they... Ooh! Look at this. Make the effort. Make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. They want to build Capricorn. They want to take that time to make things right. This is what I'm getting. They want to take the time to make things right with you. They want to get to know you. They want to build with you. They want to grow with you. They admire so much about you, and the more they can be in your presence and be in your energy, the more that admiration, that inspiration grows and grows every time. And they want to take that time to be patient, to grow, so that, you know, building that legacy with you. Look at the 8 of Pentacles going on. This person is building, okay, and this is what they want to do. Oh wow. So Thank you, Capricorn. We're going to now move on to Aquarius. Let's move on to Aquarius now. Okay, how we doing, Aquarius? Air sign in the building. What you sipping on? Let us know. Put it in the comments. Okay. Okay, what are their current feelings for you, Aquarius? Something wanting to come out. What are their current... Woo! You are the wheel of... The wheel of fortune has come out for you, Aquarius. They see you as somebody is like this divine energy. I feel like they could be even asking themselves and saying, no, I was meant to know, Aquarius. I feel like even if it was like somebody from your recent past who wants to reconcile, or who might be also thinking about you, I feel like they're seeing you and the connection. And this is also with this new or someone in your current energy. They're seeing you is that I was meant to meet Aquarius. I was meant to meet Aquarius. I was meant to meet them. Like this was definitely meant to happen, for me to meet and for me to learn, for me to grow from this. But I was meant to meet them. Now I feel like they see you as a divine. Okay, I'm getting a strong energy. That's how they see you, as somebody who has come from the divine. The universe has manifested you to them. Okay, and it be vice versa. You know, whether it's to learn, whether it's to come together in this union. But this is how they are looking at you, and the thoughts and the feelings that they have towards you, Aquarius. Okay, so let's just we're also going to just quickly clarify if there's any other messages for Aquarius and their current feet. Look at look at this. They're seeing this as this is a divine energy. That, you know, they see you as that like person that, you know, can match their higher self, their higher divine masculine, their divine feminine energy going on here. And there could be an interracial element. You could come from different backgrounds, or you can just have different interests. But when the two of you come together, Aquarius, they see it as such a blessing. And this person has a lot of love for you. Look at this. Oi, 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 oi. Okay, let's pull out a Jamaican proverb. Let's see what wants to come out for the Aquarius. So, what additional message wants... Ooh, two came out. Okay. So, we have, when trouble take you, pitney shirt fit you. When trouble take you. Now, this came out for a Capricorn. When trouble take you, pitney shirt fit you. And in Jamaican patois, when trouble take you, pitney shirt fit you. And pitney just means, in patois, a child, okay? And it's about when trouble comes your way, you can find ways of coming out of that adversity. Okay, so challenging difficult times, finding ways to adapt. Okay, getting yourself out of situation. Now I feel like this is how they see you, Aquarius, because, you know, with the energy of the Lovers, it represents the 6 in the tarot. Okay, and this could also be someone who might be a fellow air sign. They might may not be like a sun sign, but they may have like a sun. They may have air in their charts. Okay, but I feel like with this person, I feel like they see you as somebody that I'm getting like a Bonnie and Clyde, or like a duo. Like they see you as like a duo that they can do anything, and, you know, face challenging situations, whether it's like, you know, the journey of life, with you as being their companion. Okay, now we have Doppy know who fi frighten. Doppy know who fi frighten. And Doppy just means, in Jamaican patois, like a spirit entity, a ghost. Okay, and the idea is that maybe they might see it as like a bullies, or pick on the most vulnerable. Okay, protect yourself. Now, I feel like this could also be Aquarius. Maybe some of you may have felt like with this situation, there could have been some back and forth, but I feel like there is a genuine love energy here. Okay, I am also getting maybe some people might have tried to talk you out of it, or for the other person they may have been like other people there. So let's just have a look. What's going on there? Why is Duppy know who feel frightened? Let's see what's going on. What's the Jamaican proverbs telling us? Additional clues, please. Oh, we have the Seven of Coins, the Seven of Pentacles. So there is some contemplation energy, like, and I'm getting this energy of like, is this all worth it? Is this all worth it? You know, all this time and energy, is this all worth it? Okay, and I feel like it's kind of saying, you know, to really trust your intuition and trust your discernment. Now, I feel like this person could be very different from you, and this could be what is also causing this energy of contemplation. Okay, but it's really asking you to trust your intuition and use your discernment every time. Okay, so we're gonna have a look now at the romantic oracles. Let's see what it wants to tell us. Children, your love life is being affected by children, so there could be some inner childhood energies going on. Okay, and it could also be that maybe some of you or may have a child, or maybe thinking about children, and that could also be, you know, wanting to be clear and get clear with what is it you both want and where you stand in the situation. Okay, I'm gonna intuitively drawn to pull out another one, so let's have a look. I'm just gonna do a quick shuffle for Aquarius. What message wants to come out for Aquarius? True love. Look at that. This is the romance of a lifetime. So if you want it, it can be a romance of a lifetime. Romance of a lifetime. So Aquarius, trust your intuition and use your discernment every time. All right. Thank you, Aquarius. All right. We are now moving on to Pisces. Pisces, how you doing? Pisces, how you doing? Okay, let us know what you are sipping on. Pisces. Okay, so we're going to have a quick look. Let's see what wants to come out. Their current feelings for you. We'll start with the Jamaican proverb. Their current feelings for you, Pisces. Oh, we have three. Okay, so book learning are not intelligence. Book learning are not intelligence. This simply means we can't get everything from our books. Okay, we can't get everything just from just learning or maybe looking on social media to try and gather information. We've got to take the time by actually face-to-face connections, getting to know this person. Okay, so be self-aware, learn from others and your environment. You can't get all of your information just learning from books. Okay, we got take where you get till you get where you want. I love this one. Take where you get till you get where you want. So you know, just take what you can receive until you get what you actually want. Okay, work towards your goals. Every little steps help you to get where you want to be. Disciplined and be consistent. Now, I feel like this is also something to do, you know, with taking the time to get to know somebody and trying to make, again, there's a strong energy. This has been a theme that has gone on throughout all of the read so far, of taking the time to have heart-to-heart conversations, finding a middle ground. Okay, look, again, this came out for the last couple of reads. When trouble take you, pitney shirt fit you. Now in Jamaican patois, pitney means a child. Okay, so it's basically about the idea of that if you're facing adverse and challenging situations, you're going to find every way to come out of that situation. You're going to find so many creative ways to come out of that situation. Challenging and difficult situations, learning how to adapt, to think outside of the box. Okay, Pisces? So I feel like this person is already having this energy that they've, you know, I feel like they are very caught up in the energy of mystery around you, okay? And there's going to have to be some energy of like coming out of the box to get to know you on a deeper level, okay? And this could also be you as well, vice versa, Pisces. Yeah, it could be vice versa. So let's have a look. What are their current feelings for you? Let's see what the tarot wants to tell us. What are their current feelings for you, Pisces? Ooh, we have the Eight of Wands. We have the Eight of Wands. So this person is like they're thinking, they're really thinking, they want you to take action. You might be getting lots of messages, or messages may start to flow from this person. But I feel like this is like, you know, this person wants to be evergreen with you. And when I mean evergreen, it's kind of like letting things flow, taking that time to get to know you, taking that time to kind of unveil this the mysterious nature about you, Pisces. Like, I feel like the more they get to know you, the more curious they are. But I feel like a lot of face-to-face interactions will really help the two of you to meet the middle ground, to understand where you both stand, to really get to know one another on a deeper level and have a deeper connection. Again, always trust your intuition, and use your discernment every time. But this person really wants to take that time to get to know you, okay? But I feel like there is again this energy of apprehension, maybe trying to rely on what you can what can be found, or what they know, or what they know from others about you. But it's all, you know, the best way to get to know somebody is from the direct source itself, okay? So let's have a clarification message just from the Karma Tarot, being intuitively drawn to pull a clarification message for Pisces. So let's have a look for Pisces. Let's see what's to come out for Pisces. Ooh. Yeah, so we have the Page of Pentacles. And again, the Page of Pentacles can represent this energy of like the apprentice wanting to take time. You know, they may not have it all together, but they are willing and they are able to learn. Take that time to learn. Okay, and this person is coming with a genuine intention of wanting to get to know you more on a deeper level. Now, initially, the energy may come across perhaps younger, or they may carry themselves in a kind of like a younger energy, but I feel like it's also them wanting to take that time to have a very open mind and get to know you on a deeper level, okay? But I feel like also taking on this energy may also help you to branch out and be more open and think outside the box, okay? Right, so let's have a look and see what the romantic oracle wants to tell us. Their current feelings for you, Pisces. Their current feelings for you, Pisces. Okay, I'm also getting another message that came out intuitively, that there could also be some good news in regards to money, okay, for you, Pisces, as well. Okay, so their current feelings for you. So this person is a soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate, okay? So I feel like this person does want to take that time to get to know you, you know, and I feel like it, you know, there could be, I feel like there's a strong energy with Pisces, that there is having to release these barriers that may have created some kind of defense mechanism on letting things in. But I feel like with the Eight of Wands, you know, action wants to come forward, action wants to take place, okay, messages wants to take place, you know. It's about letting it in, okay, and being open to it. Always trust your intuition and use your discernment, okay? But I do feel intuitively drawn to pull out another message. So let's see what else wants to come out for Pisces. Look, Again, as we look at what we just said earlier about, you know, maybe this younger energy, and if you can also move into this younger energy, playfulness. One of the best ways to get into that energy, to feel more relaxed, be at ease, be more comfortable, to share, to flirt, to get to know one another. Look, to recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. Look at that, Pisces. So take every opportunity, you know, book learning, you know, you know, we can't just rely on what we see and what's going off or what we can hear and pick up and gather from third parties. And it's about really taking that time to get to know one another on a deeper level. So thank you, Pisces. So we have come to the end of the all signs, but be sure to check your sun sign, your moon sign, your ascendant sign. If you know your Venus sign as well, check that as well. Okay, let us know what you're sipping on. You know, we appreciate all your comments, so put those comments in below. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwantarotandtea, and be sure to look good, feel good. Okay, stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan.